several things that I would like to fix on this course. I make note early on of the unused space that's over to the right and some unused space over to the left. Maybe in my review I can address using some of that space. Right away, here's a must fix. From the front of the ring to jump 1, we require a minimum of 10 feet. On the dismount of the last jump, we require a minimum of 10 feet towards the front of the ring. These things are really easy to fix. I'll grab all this stuff, give it a rotation. Now I'm actually going to call for a little handling in that opening line rather than just a straight down the side of the ring rip. Now I've got a nice approach to jump number 1 right here. Same problem here and probably the same fix. I'll just rotate this stuff, move it over, give a little extra room to the last jump just like that. Now I've fixed it. I have all kinds of room on the dismount of that jump. Now, another thing that I see in this course, if I do a connect the numbers and show the path lengths measuring for 12-inch dog, once again, I have a pinwheel with too little room in the turning radius for the dog. 8 feet here, 9 feet, 9 feet there. Yeah, that's right. So to fix this, let's use some of that unused space over here. I'll move this stuff over. Now, that gives me a little room to rotate and move these jumps. So that now we've really opened up the space between the jumps more in the range of a minimum of 12 feet, which is what we require. I'd also like to solve this after jump 5 to 6. There's too little room to avoid the wrong course option to the collapsed tunnel down here. So I'll move it down, give the handler a little room to breathe, move the table down because there's plenty of room in the front of the ring. Okay, so the next little bit, if I really look at this course, it probably doesn't have enough handling challenge for the superior level, unless you consider a pinwheel a handling challenge, which it can be for some. But it can be a little bit more sophisticated than that. I also see this little problem. There is not a square and safe approach to the dog walk. You see, the dismount of the jump is dictated by the approach. So if that's my approach and dismount, you can see that it's really impossible for the dog to get a square, safe approach to the dog walk without turning it into a terrible handling moment with too little space to get her done. So rather than just fixing this, let's go ahead and take care of the problem of too little handling challenge. I'm going to pull this tunnel around here and draw it up like this. Now, I'll copy me a jump here. And I'm going to put this jump up here. All I'm really doing here is adding 2 performance obstacles to this course. So that calls for a little renumber. I want a new number 15 right here. I want 15 and 16. And now it's a pretty nice closing to the course. And that is my review.